AI is transforming everything around us. But buyers don't know where to start.
Executives feel the pressure to invest, but don't know how to define success. Sellers respond with features and jargon, which only deepens the confusion. The result?
Deals stall and competitors win.
High performers don't simply sell AI. They teach buyers how to buy it. They educate, reframe assumptions, identify and mitigate risks, and connect AI to real business needs. Challenge yourself equips sellers to reframe customer thinking through commercial teaching, spark action with constructive tension, and tailor messages that align stakeholders and move deals forward.
When buyers get clarity, deals don't stall, they accelerate.
Cut through the fog, challenge the status quo, transform conversations into results.